Welcome to perimeter of the plane shapes. This will be the part 3, the final part. Part 3. So perimeter of circle, semicircle, and quadrant. So normally the circle is like this. That's a circle. So the semicircles, from the word semi, that is 1/2 of circle with this shape. The diameter remains the same. And mind you, in a circle, this is a radius. That's a radius. But if you have a circle this way and it's drawn from here, this one is the diameter. So here is a radius R. This one is the diameter D. So that's about the circle. Then quadrant, from the word quadrant, 1/4, quarter of a circle. This way you have the radius here and the radius is here. So for the area of perimeter of a circle, there are two formulas. So perimeter, when we are given radius, we use a 2 pi r, where your pi is 22/7, or sometimes you could be asked to use 3.142. So for here, perimeter is equal to, when we are given diameter, we just say pi d, meaning pi times d. Right, this one means 2 times 22 times 7. So we multiply them together. For example, look at this first one. We are asked to find the perimeter of this one. So how do we calculate the perimeter? So we are given radius, so perimeter will be 2 times your pi times r. The radius r is given, so which is 2 times 22/7 times 7, so centimeters. So the 7 can cancel 7, you get 1. So perimeter should give us 2 times 22 times 1, which is 44 centimeters. So let's look at the second one. We are given the diameter, so perimeter should be pi times d, so which is 22/7 times 14. 14 is the diameter, so 7 will go into this, we get 2. So perimeter should give us 22 times 2 also, which is 44 again, 44 centimeters. Now this third part, you notice we are given radius, so perimeter will also be, we go back to the formula that has radius, 2 pi r, 2 times your pi times r. So perimeter should give us 2 times 22/7 times 24.5 centimeters. So 7 can divide 24.5. 7 here, 1. 7 in 24 will give us 3. That's 21. We have remainder 3. So we join it with here, making 35. But before that, we put our decimal point, please. If you forget decimal point. So 7 divides 35. That's 5. So perimeter should give 2 times 22 times 3.5 centimeters. So perimeter should give 2 times 3.5 will give 7. So we have 22 times 7. So perimeter is 22 times 7. That should give us 120 perimeter actually means the distance around the whole shape, and that's so this one perimeter should give again we are given radius, so we should use 2 pi r. Okay, let me turn this to diameter. Maybe let's turn it to diameter. So the diameter is equal to this. So again we do pi times d. So this 22 over 7 multiplied by 6.3. Let's see, 7 here, 1. 7 is 6. Impossible. So we have a 0. We put decimal point. We join the 6 here. It becomes 63. 7 is 63. 9. So perimeter will be 22 times 0.9. So perimeter is let's multiply 22 by 9 first before we bring the decimal point. So that will be 18 times 11, which is 18 times 11. What I did was 11 times 2 times 9. So this times this will give me 18. So if I have 8, this and this will give me 9 and 1. So I have 198. But because there is one decimal place, we put one decimal point here. So it's centimeters. And that's about that. So easy. Okay. Now coming over to this one, this is a semicircle. So perimeter should be 1 over 2 of the circle, 1 over 2 times, but this is a diameter. Diameter is given. So 1 over 2 times pi times d for the diameter. So let me roll up a little. So that gives a perimeter equals 1 over 2 times 22 over 7 times 14. So we can divide. Perimeter is 2, we cancel this one, and now we are 1 over 2 times 22 over 7 times 14. 2 we cancel 22, we have 11. 7 we cancel 14, we get 2. So perimeter is equal to 11 times 2. So perimeter is equal to not perimeter actually. Now here perimeter. This will give us 22 first. Not perimeter actually. Let me not write perimeter. This shouldn't be the perimeter. So let me erase all these parts. So I will rewrite it. Actually, this is what we are getting here. So I'll call it semi. That this arc is semi. So let me call this one semi. So perimeter now will be this arc plus this part. So perimeter will be 22 that we got for the semi plus this 14 centimeters. So the perimeter will give us 36 centimeters. So the perimeter is this plus this down part here and here. So this semi plus this line down here. So the last one we have okay, let me call this place Q. So I won't make the mistake I made the other time. So let me start by saying Q equals 1/4 times, now notice this is radius is given, so I'll say 2 pi r. Since I'm given radius, so Q will give me 1/4 times 2 times 22/7 times 4.9. So that's Q. So Q equals 2 here, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 11. So I have 11/7 times 4.9 centimeters. Now again, 7 here, 1. 7 divides 4, impossible, I have 0 point. I have 49. 7 divides 49 to give me 7. So Q equals 11 times 0.7 centimeters. Let me get rid of this. So Q is equal to 11 times 7, I have 77, but because of this decimal point here, 1 decimal is 56 centimeters. Now perimeter will give me Q plus 4.9 plus the other 4.9. So addition of this place plus this place plus this place. So perimeter will give me 7.7 plus 4.9 plus 4.9. So perimeter will give me 4.9, that should be 9.8. So let me write 9.8 plus 7.9.